Hey, this is Christine, your DIY craftaholic. Welcome back to my awesome subscribers, as well as those joining me for the first time. In this video, I'm sharing 3 budget-friendly, high-end look and very beautiful Christmas decor ideas. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Alright, DIY number 1. So I got this pack of Merry Christmas paper plates from Walmart for $2.98, and I'm only using just one. This is my plate at the party, right? So when I saw it, I knew I could DIY this into a beautiful Christmas wall decor. All I did, just glued on a piece of the twine at the back for hanging, add some ribbon from the Dollar Tree. If you are new to my channel today, I am happy to have you. After today, your family. Here on my channel, I do DIYs on a budget, dupes, look for less. So if you like DIYs on a budget and have not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing and be sure to hit that notification bell and select all so you'll be notified every time I upload new videos. And some greenery I already had, and bam, this DIY is done. And after the season, I'll just remove my ribbon and my greenery and toss the plates and call it a day. Now we're on to DIY number 2. In addition to the plates, they also had the matching napkins, and of course I bought that too. So I'm just separating the napkin. Here I'll be using just one with this pack of metal tags from the Dollar Tree as well. And then I cut off that section that had no words. Then I just measured to make sure I had enough to cover the tag. And here I'm using the Mod Podge as a sealant. And I just made sure that it laid flat and even before I smoothed it over. And I then took my sanding block and rubbed the edges off. And then just applied some more Mod Podge on the surface to protect and seal the napkin. And it was looking a little bit bare, so for some more pizzazz, I just cut off 2 of the snowflakes and added those. And I did that for 2 of the tags, and the other one I just used the pattern side. And here we have all 3 completed. I then took my little embossing stylus from the Dollar Tree and just pierced the middle just to find where the hole was. I took a piece of twine, the same twine that came in the pack actually. Folded that into 3 pieces, added 3 wooden beads, tied the twine back on, and this one is also done. And you can add these wherever you choose. So on to DIY number 3. This is a peace sign from the Dollar Tree. I removed the tag and kept the string on for hanging. And here I'm going to be using the napkin again to decoupage the sign. I've done the napkin decoupaging DIYs on my channel before, so if you'd like to see this process in detail, I link that video in the card above. As you can see, the print is on both panels of the napkin, so trying to get the words to sit in the middle wasn't working at all. I then painted the sign with some Apple Barrel white acrylic paint, and I gave it 1 coat but didn't wait for it to dry completely because I wanted the surface to still be wet when I applied the napkin. I then applied a lot of the Mod Podge and then sat the napkin on top. At first I thought of covering the star, but then I decided to leave it out. And here I'm doing the burn technique to remove the excess napkin, and like I said, you can watch how I did that process in the video that I linked above. If you decide to do this, I would recommend that you do it in a well-ventilated area because of the smoke. And as you can see, some areas weren't totally clear, so I used my X-Acto knife to pare away those areas and also sanded off the edges. And when I looked at it, it was looking a little rustic, and I loved the way that it looked. I then applied some more Mod Podge on the surface, add a little bow from the Dollar Tree, and this DIY is done. So there you have it, guys, budget-friendly DIYs to inspire you and cost a fraction to make. Let me know which one of these was your favorite. I know which one was mine. Definitely the paper plate DIY. If you like budget-friendly DIYs like these, be sure to check out this video or this playlist, and stay safe until next time. Bye.